Hi guys, Charity Lifestyle here. I'm just going to be showing you how to soften your raisins. This is just the easiest way to do it. You can decide to soak it for days with alcohol, okay? But because I don't want to use alcohol to soak it, so I'm just going to soften it this way. So you're just going to put a little bit of water. It depends on the quantity of the raisins you want to make. Then going with sugar so that it doesn't lose its taste, its sweetness. Then you add your raisin. Then let it sit for like 10 to about, let's say 10 to 13 minutes. But you have to be checking it, okay? So after a while, you get to notice that your raisins are now soft. Then you can now turn on your stove, turn it off, turn off your stove. Then now wait for it to cool down. Then your raisins are ready. Like you can see here now, my raisins is ready in like minutes. It's already soft. I'm going to be showing you how soft it is. This is the best way to make it because it doesn't lose its sweetness. Okay, and you can use it fast, very fast. But if you want to do it with alcohol, you have to soak it for days in your alcohol. Do you get it? Yeah. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that others can get to see my video as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.